Okay guys, today we're gonna be playing Judgment Day. As you see, I got some progress. I was doing some things. So yeah. Okay, let's start. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's not to me. Nah, that's bad, that's bad. Nah, too ugly. You have got to be kidding me. Get this game out of my damn face, bro. I'm gonna choose the blue. What did I get? No, that's over, bro. No, bro. Changes the had a forbidden relationship. That's fine. Secretly wants away parties at night. This is a man, bro. Heck no. God damn it. I'm not gonna watch the ad. Heck no. Really think I'm gonna watch an ad. Yeah. Stop with this stupid ad. Spider-Man, you good, Spider-Man. No, no one. No, no, you have got to be kidding me. No, you're gonna go. Yes, yes. I better not get an ad. I'm sure to God if I get one. Okay, never returns to the books. Nah, nah. Yeah, that's good. Ooh, Mexican. Nah, I think I'm gonna go with. Nah. Oh, that's fine. Good. Pick a wick. Yeah. Psych. And Billie Eilish. Something like that? I don't know. Okay, no, I'm not getting you. My name is Doug Amnestra. I am the fawn and the shit of lie. Fine, I saw a drunk man stealing a old woman's van. Okay, that's true. Truth. 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 Lie. Okay, so we're dead. I need to blow him up. It's him, idiot. These ads are so annoying, bro. They just get on my nerves. Yes. Ooh, that was so hard. God damn, it's not gonna let me do it. I was gonna put something there, but nah, it didn't work. Yay! That was so fun seeing somebody blow up. Wow, I'm so rich. I have so much money. I didn't even think about that. I'm watching on that. I need Spider-Man. I need Spider-Boo. I need Spider-Man though. I love Spider-Man. Yes, Spider-Man. I love him. I love Spider-Man. Gives spoilers all the time. Winter is coming. Hmm. 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 Yeah, that's fine. Nah, that's ugly. No! Okay. Be careful. Too expensive. Yes. Yes. Wow, does it seem like I'm a merely. Wait, I'm gonna play something else. That is the most worst game ever. Let's play some. Should I be quiet or should I eat macaroni? Yeah, I'm gonna eat something. Yeah. Close. God damn, which game should I play? Murder mystery. Murder mystery seems good. Yeah, that's a good game. Sorry about the McDonald's. Guys. Man, I'm dead. Watch again. Loading. Smack my duh, duh, duh. I'm the with the coco. I'm the with the coco. I'm the with the coco. Oh, I'm 2022. Oh. Let's go to shop. Weapons. Why the weapons are so expensive? Okay, let's see this. Why is everybody emo? I hate emo people. Just be bacons. Or with the cocoa. Bro, really eating ice cream. Damn, he got the bat. Oh, I want that bat. Let me show you a secret in this game, Murder Mystery, if you didn't know. I might not fit. Wow, I fit. This is pretty much. It's not like. Goo goo ga ga. Goo goo ga ga. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video here.